everyone, it's me, Titser Jay, and welcome to another episode of learning. Today's video, we are going to solve a problem under trigonometry. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the problem. Find the area of an oblique triangle given the measurement of two sides and included angle. So we are going to find the area of an oblique triangle. So the question here is, paano kunin yung area ng isang oblique triangle? So let's consider this illustration. We all know that this side is side B, and this side is side A, and this side is side C. Okay? And kapag meron tayong included angle, let's say this is included angle. Okay? So meron tayong dalawang sides. Okay, given the measurements of two sides dito and included angle. Ito yung included angle natin. So to find the area of this illustration, so this is A, the area is equal to 1/2 of the product of the two sides. Ito po, which is B times C. And then the sine of the included angle. So this is sine A. Okay? So this is on how to find the area of this illustration. Again, 1/2 of the product of the two sides and sine of the included angle. Okay? Let's have another illustration kung paano kunin yung area of this illustration. Let's say this is side A and this is side B. Okay? And the included angle is angle C. Now, to find the area of this illustration, kasi meron tayong side, angle, side. Okay? So, to find the area of this is A is equal to 1/2 of the product of the two sides, that is A times B, and then the sine of the included angle. So, that is sine, the included angle is sine C. Okay? So this is on how to find the area of this illustration. Let's have another one. Let's say this is side C and this is side A. Okay? And the included angle is angle B. So to find the area of this illustration, that is A is equal to 1/2 of the product of the two sides, that is A times C, and then the sine of the included angle. So that is sine B. Okay? So this is how to find the area of an oblique triangle. Okay. Let's have this example. Given triangle ABC and our side B is 10 centimeters and our side C is 15 centimeters. And the included angle of these two sides is angle A, and that is 38 degrees. So, how to find the area of this illustration? Since ito si B, ito si C. Okay? So, area, or A, is equal to 1/2 of the product of the two sides, that is B times C, and the sine of the included angle A, and that is sine 38 degrees. Okay? Next, substituting this is sine A. Sige, sine A muna tayo. This is sine A. So, substituting the values, so A is equal to 1/2 of, ang B natin is 10. So, 10 times, or 10 centimeters, and ang C natin is 15 centimeters. And sine ang angle A natin, that is 38 degrees. Okay? And then solve natin yan. Unahin muna natin ito. So this is A is equal to 1/2. 10 times 15, that is 150. And then times sine 38 degrees. So, using your calculator, unahin muna natin i-multiply ito. 1/2 times sine 38. So, that is A is equal to 1/2 Again, using your calculator, 150 times sine 38 degrees, and that is equal to 92.3492. Okay? And then, 1/2 of 92.3492, that is 92.3492 divided by 2. Okay? So we have A now, or the area, is equal to 46.17 square, or this is cm square, or square centimeters. So the area of this illustration, or this oblique triangle, is 46.17 square centimeters. Let's have example number 2. Given this illustration, triangle ABC, and then given the measurements of the two sides, we have side C, that is 20 centimeters, and our side A, that is 15 centimeters. And the included angle is 40, or that is angle B, which measures 40 degrees. So to find the area of this triangle, we have A is equal to 1/2 of the product of the two sides, that is A times C, and the sine of the included angle, so sine B. Okay? And then substituting the values, we have A is equal to 1/2 of ang A natin, that is 15 centimeters. And then ang C natin, that is 20 centimeters. Times sine, ang angle B natin, that is 40 degrees. So simplify natin yan by using your scientific calculator. A is equal to 1/2. Pwedeng i-multiply nyo muna yan. So, this is 300. 15 times 20, that is 300. Times yung sine 40 natin. 40 degrees. So, multiply natin yan. 30 or 300. So, this is 300. Times sine 40. Okay, so 300 times sine 40 degrees. That is... Ayan po. And then, pag nakuha nyo yung product po niyan, pwede nyo siyang i-divide ng 2. So, divided by 2. So, ang sagot dyan is A, or the area, is equal to 96.42 square centimeters. So, the area of this illustration, or of this triangle ABC, is 96.42 square centimeters. So, if you have questions or clarifications on how to find the area of an oblique triangle, given the measurements of two sides and the included angle, you can type your questions po in our comment section. Keep safe and God bless.